Hello trade pros. In today's video we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of becoming a successful trader, creating and using a trading plan. In this 5-part video series we're going to start with video number 1, and you're right on it, and we're going to talk about adapting trading to your lifestyle. As traders, we start out looking for an out-of-the-box solution or strategy that we could apply to make money. That's an incorrect and backwards way to go about it. The better way to start is to look at your lifestyle, look at your goals, and look at what you want to achieve and how much time you have to trade within a day, and then build a solution around that. What we want to do is take the market and adapt it into our lifestyle. In the second video, we're going to talk about trade entry, how to have a checklist and use qualifiers in order to get yourself into the best opportunities and skip the losing trades before you even get into them. In part 3, we talk about risk management and how to protect your capital like a professional trader. In part 4 of the video series, we talk about trade exits, how to exit manually, when to exit, and how to use a checklist once again to disqualify trades. In the last part, part 5, I share with you my personal routine for success. And I introduce you to a transition strategy to go from learning to an application-based method where you start trading in the market the right way. It's a 5-week program, and if you follow it, you're going to go from student to master, and you're going to start to get a grasp of this thing. You're going to build a customized trading plan, and you're going to rock it. So let's get started with the first part of the series, and let me introduce you to the trade plan and why it's important. We hope you enjoy this 5-video series. Please like, subscribe to our channel, comment below, and tell me what's in your trading plan and how has it impacted your results. Thanks a bunch. Let's do this.
If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. And a trading plan is that important. If you only risk 2% per trade of your account balance, how many consecutive losses will it take to lose half of your account? You actually need 34 consecutive losing trades to lose 50%, not 25. So the way the math works out, and I'll show you in a minute, it actually allows you to be wrong more often and still make money. Okay, and we'll look at that as well. So how many trades do you have to place to encounter the statistical probability that you're going to lose 34 consecutive trades? All right, so if you look at stats, there's 2 ways to do this. Where could the market go? The market could go up. All right, before I give you the number, the market could go sideways, the market could go down. There's 3 different directions in which a stock or a market can travel. So technically you have a 1/3 probability of the market going up, 1/3 going down, and 1/3 of it staying flat. Well, if you assume that you only win trades if you cash out, if you make money, boom, bank inside your trading account, if that's the only way that's a winning alternative, then you have to take, now get this, 1.3 million trades. Okay, 1.3 million trades have to be placed in your account before you encounter the probability that you'll go 34 consecutive loss trades. All right, so that means 1 in a 1.3 million chance is where you're going to lose just 50% of your account balance. So statistically, that would be a terrible start. All right, now if you look at it as 50%, because you have 1/3 of a direction, and I know we'll talk about that. Somebody said I've done that in way less trades, or I've hit that probability, but we'll talk about why I don't think that's true and how we could turn it around. So today's kind of, let's pick ourselves up from the ashes, let's make a difference, and let's get a plan, and let's follow that plan. All right, if you assume that a break-even trade or a trade that goes sideways at a certain time can be closed, and I'll talk about when to get out of trades today as well, all right? If you assume that you could take a break-even trade that goes sideways and close it out for minimal loss to slight profit, basically a no-go, a scratch trade as we call them, then that means it's now a 1.5 probability, right? It's 50-50. Now, if you look at it that way, then it takes 17 billion trades. 17 freaking billion trades. Not only will I never do that in my lifetime, which is sad. I won't live long enough to do 17 billion. I wish I could, but I don't think the whole world combined has done 17 billion trades. All right, so the good news is losses can be contained. The great news is you don't have to worry about the downside if you have a trading plan and practice sound and disciplined risk management. All right, because here's a harsh reality, and I'm just going to hit you with it. Losses are not because of your strategy. They're not. They're because of you not following it. Professional traders manage risk. Amateurs chase returns. Has anyone heard that quote? It's by me. This is the cruel irony to it. The things that we chase or that get us started in this business to begin with is a reward for being able to manage risk. All right, so when we go in and expect the reward before we've done the work or the real job, that's not going to work out. All right, it's like showing up at bonus time at Christmas and standing in front of the line and getting a bonus check and you don't even work at that company. That's how traders expect to enter this business. What I'm here to tell you guys is there's a process, there's a template that can be followed. Work needs to be put in, but don't put work in on chasing a return. The real work goes into managing risk. All right, here's the agenda. I'm going to talk about creating a trading plan, your needs, entry criteria, risk management, exit criteria, drawdowns, and the Phoenix plan. All right, and then I'm going to talk about my routine for success, how I plan my days. I'll definitely get into that, and time permitting, how I execute my strategy and what I review it with.